This is your astrologer Sandeep Kataria with my very special readings for you. A man has natural instinct for survival, and at the same time, humans love to progress and move forward. Therefore, to avoid danger and to know what good lies ahead, we are always eager to know what future holds in store for us. This takes us to the system of astrology. To know about your future for the week ahead, we bring you weekly horoscope July 5 to July 11, 2020. The important event of this week is that lunar eclipse is taking place on 5th of July in the Sagittarius sign. This is also Guru Purnima day. Hence, the readings in this video assume double importance as they cover weekly predictions as well as the probable effect of the lunar eclipse on each zodiac sign. And now, let us begin with Aries horoscope. The lunar eclipse is taking place in the 9th house of Aries horoscope. It is quite possible that a few of you, especially who are in middle age or beyond, would take more interest now in the spirituality. Some of you may become more religious and God-loving. There would be some changes in your travel plans this week. The planetary position is indicating that you can now complete some important work. By keeping calm and using your intelligence, you can succeed in solving many problems of life. One particular thing you must keep in mind is, do not invest money on anybody's advice or without doing due diligence. It can harm you. Your seniors at workplace may note your shortcomings, so pay attention to your work. You will have to work hard to see happiness in the family life. The lunar eclipse is taking place in the 8th house of Taurus horoscope. This is the period where you will have to learn the art of converting challenges into opportunities. There is an old saying, if life throws lemons at you, you make the lemonade. It is quite likely that you will be confused with regards to money and finance matters. One of the reasons could be some tension due to family and family members. Therefore, stay very alert yet remain very peaceful and calm inside. It is important to do some yoga and meditation, stay relaxed by listening to music or reading good books, etc. On the job front, there would be some unexpected news. It is not necessary that it would be a bad news only. For the business persons of Taurus sign, you may have sudden and unexpected gains. But be careful, do not get tempted to make short-term profits from some unwanted practices. Whatever your profession is, or you are in own business, self-employed or in job, you are likely to get one good opportunity at least. You have to be smart to recognize the opportunity and make best use of it. The lunar eclipse is taking place in your 7th house of business relations and life partner. The house opposite to this is the 1st house, which represents you. So the advice of the planets in transit would be to remain self-confident. Don't be overconfident or underconfident. Otherwise, this could become the reason for having a friction in the relationship with your life partner or business associates. This also means that you should not be judgmental and do not take any decision without pondering over it, especially if it is going to be an important decision. In your professional life, you would benefit from the association of strong personalities. Make best use of this time by using your best talent and skills at the workplace. Health of your spouse also needs some care and attention. If your business partner or life partner feels low or is experiencing tension, you should motivate them and always be close to them. The eclipse is taking place in your 6th house. In Vedic astrology, this house represents employment, debts, legal matters, sickness, among other things. If employed, you will have good news provided you have been working diligently and honestly in the past. Your consistent performance will take you further up in your career. The business persons may have to pay more attention to their staff and the human resource matters. Something on this aspect will draw your attention. Keep your borrowing to the bare minimum at this time. If possible, avoid taking a loan or overdraft during this time. Stay away from people, places, and situations which give you tension and worries. There can be some worries or concerns about health, including some mental tensions or worries. But regular exercise and yoga can help reduce the intensity of your problems. Also pay attention to your children. If you are a parent, spend more time with your children and see what their needs and inclinations are. Encourage them and at the same time ensure that they are not getting into any wrong company or imbibing any bad habits. If you are in a relationship, do not change anything or do anything which does not meet with the approval of your love partner. It is because this is a risky time to try any new experiment. Only thing you should do is to be sweet to your love partner. The singles should not try to mingle at this time for a few days at least. However, the unmarried can receive marriage proposals. The eclipse is taking place in your 4th house. In Vedic astrology, this house represents property, house, mother, vehicles, among other things. At workplace, whether job or business, only hard work will help you to move ahead. There can be some good opportunities for Virgo natives in business or those who are self-employed, while there will be favorable conditions for those in service. Rahu, Sun and Mercury are transiting in your 10th house at this time. Hence, there will be a need to be a bit careful at work. Although your performance will be good, but one little mistake can spoil the show. Keep your planning to yourself. Don't share your planning until you have finished your project. You will have to keep yourself motivated at all the times as you may have the tendency to feel low. Your thinking may go negative if you don't watch yourself. You will get limited support only from your spouse, but you will have to accept some of his or her demands too. You will continue to be engaged in family matters. Some family matters or property related issues will demand a lot of your time and attention. Before proceeding ahead with the rest of the forecast, here is an important announcement. This forecast is a general one based on your zodiac sign and is based on the transit of planets. If you want specific astrological advice from us based on your individual horoscope, you are welcome. The individual predictions will be based on your unique horoscope, position of planets, their strengths, dasha system and the transit. Just call us and book an appointment for consultation. And yes, this will be a paid consultation. And now let us continue with the rest of the forecast. The eclipse is taking place in your 3rd house. In Vedic astrology, this house represents speech, communication, courage, siblings, among other things. The atmosphere at home may not be very encouraging, but do not entangle in that mess. Try to utilize your strengths and talents in some purposeful way at work to achieve higher goals. Pending matters may also be completed. Before starting to work on an important project, make an appropriate plan and implement it. If your profession is based on your some hobby or interest such as sports or performing arts, you are likely to do very well. You will get recognition and respect. Therefore, do not hide yourself away. Rather, showcase your skills to the world. Make some changes if it helps your career or personal development in some way. Always think that you have sufficient resources to overcome any problem or challenge. This lunar eclipse is taking place in your 2nd house. In Vedic astrology, this house represents wealth, savings, inheritance, expansion of family, among other things. This is the time when you can get the divine blessings by looking after your parents and elders of the family. The Scorpio natives who are students, especially in the primary classes, may have some problems in their education. For the next 2 to 3 weeks, resolve not to spend money extravagantly. Rather, your focus should be on saving the money. Similarly, if there are some ongoing disputes regarding the family property, postpone any discussions or decisions on this subject for 2 to 3 weeks. Pay your attention to the quality and tone of your speech. Your words and tone and expressions can make friends or create enemies, so be careful. The movement of the planets for the Sagittarius natives can be made favorable for you. You will be able to achieve a lot by applying your willpower and intelligence. However, you may keep in mind that nothing will come easily or fast. At home, you may expect aggressive moods or displeasure on some account. Therefore, bring about a little softness in behavior and also make your communication sweet. During this time, there might be some situations which will increase the importance of money for you. With the help of some friends, your struck work will be completed. If you are in business, then your competitors may create a new challenge. Time for students can be said to be medium. There may be some health problem, therefore don't be negligent. This lunar eclipse is taking place in your 12th house. Some of the Capricorn natives may develop a lot of interest in spirituality, and if you are already into spirituality, your interest may go deeper. During this period, if your suggestion or advice has helped a few people, then rest assured that you will be approached by more people seeking your help and guidance. Some Capricorn natives may suddenly find themselves involved in some legal matters, so be careful. Also be safe at the workplace, whether it is physical security or defending yourself from the evil eye. You can get some good news at the end of the week. In view of this, it would be a good idea to avoid traveling, as some problems may arise during your trips. There is an indication from the transit of planets that a person whose intentions are bad can interfere in your home or work. Try to identify such a person well in time and be careful. Otherwise, he might quickly create a mess in your life. No matter how close that person is, you should become a little practical and understand what is good and what is bad for you. The life of lovers will be fun. Keep in mind that such occasions do not come often. The lunar eclipse of 5th July is taking place in your 11th house. This is also your house of profits. So if you are smart and ingenious, you can turn this period into a profitable period. The matters relating to money and finance will look up. However, there are certain words of caution also for you. Do not let yourself get confused or irritable or egoistic around this time. Any type of negative behavior may invite negative response from your business partner, children and love partner. Love life will have to be protected from jealous persons. Therefore, be careful of the entry of such a person. Students may get distracted, so they need to control their mind for a better focus and concentration. The lunar eclipse of 5th July is taking place in your 10th house. This week, your approach should be to remain balanced and create work-life balance. You will pay as much attention to your work as you would on your family matters. In the same way, you will take care of yourself and do some necessary expenses also to make your lifestyle better. Auspicious circumstances will be created at the workplace. You may also get some monetary benefits, but it will take some time to get very good returns on your investments. Health of father needs to be taken care of. In some cases, there can be difference of opinion with father. Friends, that was my forecast for you as per your moon sign. In case you want to watch this forecast in Hindi, then there is a link in the description box below. Friends, please do like and share this video. After subscribing this channel, please click the bell icon. I wish you a very happy and prosperous life.